this election has been a bitter election, a communal election and a negative election. And I think the BJP is squarely to be blamed for that, because in 2014 they contested the Lok Sabha on a positive plank, and last 1.5 years they have not been able to deliver on the promises that they made. So they knew fully well that they can only go to the Bihar polls on a negative election where they would try to communalize and polarize the atmosphere, and that's what they did. Mr. Narendra Modi from the beginning itself seemed to be jittery because he never talked about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. He never spoke about what his government has been able to deliver in the last 1.5 years. In fact, he started by attacking the opponents, and the BJP stooped to a new low. Now, I would say that there would be far-reaching consequences of this election, because within the BJP, there are voices of dissent that are wanting Mr. Narendra Modi to fail, and those would become louder after the elections. And second, I think for the nation it would be good, because there will be a course correction even within the BJP, and they will be forced to follow the development model that they promised to the people of the country, rather than talking about Shuddhikaran, love jihad and beef, because the people of India are fed up of these terms, and they want that this government, which still has a 3.5-year tenure, should start delivering on the promises that they made. So now, therefore, I think for the people of the country, it would be a good election, and it would be a lesson for the
Shahid Siddiqui.